Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Thank you to all our viewers watching from South Sudan, the region and the diaspora. Today we bring you important and serious development from South Sudan. These stories touch on security, justice, politics, and national unity. Our news today focuses on four major issues. We'll talk about growing tension in Jonglei state after accusation of tribal mobilization. Second, we'll talk about the killing of a senior petroleum official in Juba and call for justice. And third, we talk about President Salva Kiir Mayardit's plan to launch a political dialogue on election, and finally, a message of love and forgiveness from the Speaker of Parliament in 2026. Let's begin our report with SPLA-IO accuses Army Chief of tribal mobilization. Well, tension is rising again in Jonglei State. The Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, also known as SPLA-IO, has accused the Chief of Defense Forces of the National Army of using tribal language to mobilize communities. In a statement released on January 22nd, 2026, the SPLA-IO say that General Paul Nang Majuk, the Chief of Defense Forces of South Sudan People Defense Forces SSPDF, made comment that could increase division among communities. According to the SPLA-IO spokesperson, Colonel Lampol Gabriel, General Nang spoke on national television aired by the South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation on January 22nd, 2026. The opposition claimed that during this speech, the army chief referred to past conflict, including those of 1991 and 2013. The SPLA-IO believed that mentioning these painful events was meant to raise emotions and turn communities against opposition forces currently operating in Jonglei. They say this kind of language is dangerous because South Sudan has already suffered greatly from ethnic conflict. The statement also says this is not the first time the general has used such a language. The SPLA-IO claimed that in March 2025, during a funeral in his home area, General Nang allegedly called for revenge attack against SPLA-IO forces. This claim have not been independently confirmed. At the same time, the SPLA-IO also accused government forces of bombardment in part of Upper Nile and Jonglei State. According to the opposition, these attacks affected civilian areas, not just military targets. Again, this claim could not be independently verified. In response, the acting chief of general staff of SPLA-IO, Lieutenant General Peter Toksholwa, called on civilians to stay away from military areas. He urges the Boer community and other citizens to distance themselves from army bases to avoid being caught in crossfire. He said that SPLA operations are aimed at a military position, not civilian. He also appealed directly to soldiers of the National Army, asking them not to allow ethnic politics to divide the army forces. The SPLA-IO say its fight is against what it called corruption and injustice, not against communities. So far, South Sudan military leadership has not publicly responded to this accusation. This situation comes at a sensitive time as the 2018 peace agreement remains fragile and insecurity continues in several parts of the country. Let's move on to our second top story. Before we move on, please Help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Actually, community demand justice for killed petroleum officials in Juba. Now we move to Juba, where a shocking killing has raised a serious concern about safety and justice. The Ashuli communities in South Sudan is demanding a swift justice following the killing of engineer Conti Okot, a senior official at the Minister of Petroleum. Engineer Okot was not dead on Monday, was shot dead on Monday, January 19, 2026, between 7 and 8 in the morning. According to the report, he was traveling in his official government vehicle along the Custom Rock City Road in Juba when unknown gunmen attacked him. His vehicle was hit by multiple bullets, showing the seriousness of the attack. Well, the Ashuli community described the killing as a targeted assassination. In a press statement, David Otim, chairman of the Ashuli community, said the killing was brutal and deliberate. Engineer Okot was recently appointed managing director of the South Sudan Pipeline Company Limited. He was also described as the longest serving civil servant in the Ministry of Petroleum. According to the community, the way he was killed suggests that it was planned in advance. They expressed concern that authorities had not released clear information about what happened. And we strongly condemn this criminal act carried out in the middle of the town, or Tim said. He called on the government to speed up investigation and ensure that those responsible are brought to justice. The Ashuli community warned that silence and delay could weaken public trust in state institutions. They also appealed to their members to remain calm as investigation continue. The community extended condolences to Engineer Okot family, including his parent, wife, children, relative, and colleagues. A relative of the deceased, Betty Ashan Ogwaro, told Radio Tamazuj that the family is still collecting information. She said the family has opened a case but need verified fact before making a full public statement. This killing has once again raised questions about security in Juba and the safety of both public officials and ordinary citizens. Let's move on. President Salva Kiir Mayardit to launch a political dialogue. Let us now turn to politics. According to the information that was posted, President Salva Kiir Mayardit is expected to establish a dialogue committee to address election-related issues. According to official and document, the committee will bring together signatories of the 2018 peace agreement and other stakeholders. Invitations have already been sent to some group. The dialogue followed December 2025 meeting where leaders agreed to discuss concerns related to the upcoming election in the country. General elections are scheduled for December 22nd, year 2026. However, preparations have been slow due to security challenges and political disagreement. In December, the presidency approved change to the peace agreement, including separating election from constitution making and the national census. Well, some groups were invited, but the SPLA-IO faction led by first Vice President Dr. Machar was not invited, according to source. Dr. Machar remained under house arrest and faced trial in Juba. Civil society leader Edmund Yakani confirmed his organization was invited. He stressed that dialogue must be inclusive and respect the peace agreement. Yakani warned that holding election while insecurity continues could damage credibility. He also excluding major political actor. He also say excluding major political actor increase the risk of renewed conflict in the country. The 2018 peace agreement must end a long civil war, but many key reforms are still unfinished. Let's move on. Speaker Kumba called for love and forgiveness in South Sudan. Finally, a message of hope and unity from Parliament. The Speaker of the Transitional National Legislative Assembly, Jemanu Nukumba, has urged lawmakers to embrace love, forgiveness, and reconciliation in 2026. She made these remarks as she resumed work after leave, welcoming new MPs from both SPLM and SPLM-IO. She encouraged cooperation and unity. She said forgiveness is the only way forward for the country. The Speaker Kumba expressed hope that Parliament would play a strong role in implementing peace and improving citizen life. Her message comes at a time when the nation faces deep political and security challenges. Well, these four stories show us one clear truth. South Sudan is still at a critical crossroad. Peace, justice, and unity require responsible leadership, truth, and respect for human life. At Changfied YouTube channel, we encourage dialogue, accountability, and peaceful solution. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please like, share, and subscribe. Normal we can add dialogue content by writing guasime. Changfied YouTube channel. Bana writing content load road and code link. Bana kalat. Te kon ke writing ship kon one. Ki ripon te be te bana guasime ne. Ka ripon the totin bana kwen. Bana right kata dan and ngai kona jen wo Jonglei state. Ano take mu talk tin ki ko talk tin ban we ka kwiru medane shana ka yuke juba ba raj ba ka kwi president self kem yadi tela no chola ne to kontila bon ko de ka raj kwi malka ka ban raj den mi chalat Ramadan and la speaker of parliament ka juba min chalat ban yoje ka kore kan kon yam gore jin bi subscribe ka bi notification bell je to ay ngwasme jawon yam men ban kwen kel bala raj dana chalat SPLIO chicken kuma kirm yadi chicken agwany chicken kwera dana la chief of defense chicken agwany no general mobilization ka Jonglei state Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition manyaka shude SPLIO chicken chief of defense force chicken agwany chief of defense force ka national army and use a tribal language go be jang be mobilize ko bigning ka SPLIO ka statement misha release ka chanjan dangra widaro ka paikel won kin dangro widi jandangro bakel ci kuma SPLIO ci kan lado nena general Paul nang majuk chief of defense force ci right mi je ci jalat ka comment mi ci lat mi daga naten daga nuari kana jang ka jaw chalat gwase me SPLIO spokesperson ramda na la kalat kol na lam Paul Gabriel ci lado nena ajene general Paul Nang Charach National Television la SSBC South Sudan Broadcast Corporation ka chen dangro de kel ka paikel ronkin dangro jandang red bakel ka jo chala de kuma SPLIO chikala do nena ke video mi chala online ba mi gwe kene dial kana Paul Nang ke chibo defense force charajan wonena yaroi ke kwi kore dana chitwok 1991 yaroi ke kwi kore chitwok 2013 ano chikarodian boloch kacha na ce ga jogo no ne na gwada dana rojitin cela no doblan normal abekaje bor ka kuje mo bana bor bana jagang mishit ke 1991 chero da repeat mishit ke 2013 chero da repeat chagu je no man chala da ponang gen che division che je create Chukuma SPLIO chikarodian kule teje no ne men chala da ponang nyo da gen no melet kana kwi mobilization ka ko ba ka support ne te kona gad jane la ngene jane jen no 1991 ka no 2013 kwa le kwich along anu men were content de kel ga ka milin kan manalat ke polnang anu daga na te ga 2013 kon 2013 chan were chaka ne ga je ka ko mo che di long ya jen jak Sudan ko bete ka civil war milat general polnang anu 2013 chero da bulo ke 1991 chero da bulo ano ko le na mobilization ko dorian ko ngan ken ko lo mobilize ko bignye ke kuma SPLIO wana me chagwa onyo do bene ko la hali biko kor ka kor mo cha biya kor mugwa wana me gor jeno bu community ni bignye kamne ken jang ken nore bignye ka jodan chalat wude jen wude chalka me polna one language mishit kana me men chi Paul nang keroge kwide wa a dangerous ka jen cha division cha je create misha gwini won kuma spele ayo ka clear lat kana no nena kor men shi kor kam dur dangro shi kor jani kana kashi ko nware kor me a kam military karwade target spele ayo SSPD barak can all their military garrison again target in tetanone but michiben ka pol nang machalade new the general target bene ko la civilian nuori beka zil target wachi jan shengan yam boko kume SSPD up ke wudi shalga me general pol nang ka paidio ko gwase dan wachi right ko benweri beka na ke beri ben killing bajalat gwase dan e chinwer wai army chikenyen ke deni SSPDF kanasser ka kore chur lado bari ben bajalat churi ben yukana lat ka shukan were kan gan na kana mana gat ka wankan ka rewi kan nasir amana god yaltin kokien general fall nang jen charai keri ben attack ka position ye SPLIO ka korban no bar kano be civilian were be ka target chinaro jalon kum SPLIO kana lat chiremeran che to nasir me to ko lang me to ka fangak me to bo rei lo kati diala to shakalat and which general ponang cheje deliver and division and me ship of defense force dung South Sudan che goro bana ba ka dak ko gor jeno be ka tikane ti be ka lokka kor andana le roda chela do ne en Ramadan la ler spokesperson ko kuma SPLIO ajen target da chine civilian chine target da a military base to kujamo yene diala konen to bor tela jang chwadun matin tele manangitin community e kanyurian kore meni akamda kanidi kon tilla dine en mishir kana me katadan en chalat keje en go chikuma SPLIO chiken kuma SSPDF chiken agwan mendan en chanen ke kuma SSPDF gwad mi mochi jaral Paul nang charaitin ke video magwe kene dial wimon en o michit ke 1991 choro da balad anyok che din che ko permission o baga mo ka kwen ko bu ko kor ka kan ban chicken din SSPDF chicken ka mo ka kwen won manatin content de top chat ka salaries everything don gola kam ke din watele ka but right now they are promising them and wo ba ka dil moch ka kwa ko bi kulo kor en o ka jano ne ti ni chuch ka jawda na chalat gwasme so chala do ne acting chief of general staff ko kuma SPLIO ate ga jomo ko kwen gwasme lieutenant general Peter Toksholwak che shoot ka chol ne kon la civilian re wuji chal ka mo bor enwo wojerudun bor in a community ke civilian ke ne kon la humanitarian workers aka way Carodian korashi kaya chief of general staff la general Peter Toksholwak ka jo chalat gwasme janakur kam dien kanetin kontila de ni she kam da ka civilian so kujamo yene de kontila bor community ala mun tala gwawetin mune dundun kor me tar kane je ke bad regime ke regime chena te kana ka gwadnu bar to ga 2013 abe kujame che goro ba kon da ke bana ba ka da en kora military SPLIO kuma shirkamanta SSPDF mi da marode tana lo edich ashima civilian ko zurun cha goro ba na ba kalo influence anone ite ka civilian da shawonak gwada dan en ci korshe sharumtin cha ya gorbor ko boron ta mi ya jaga military base kuma SSPDF so jo ma cha ja kwen aji SPLIO en kwet kan kuma SSPDF kwen kan ka dwer ko gor ka no bi dinka community ke dinka use book we kor mi shadu dien kor me kor de ne kam dien Carodian wana kala rado dien gwasame actually community chikala do na shol kan kuma kirmi yadid eno de wude da na chanak ala kwer petroleum ke petroleum official me chanak rewi ka juba ka konin ten pai we shol kan kuma no de kan investigation de kan lat ke de kan ben forward ko ngum nak e wuda mo rele ran bana jelingo gwa chikondi alteka ngai ka gwase dan me cha wuda mo cha janak wuda shola engineer koti akot nagaje ka changwal bangwan ka pai keron kin dangro jandangro do bakel re torbiel nagje ka tabaro we ka tabade karun wangalong right now am right kone shasholi community tendere ka South Sudan shol kenaten kontila tela jitwong ni ke justice ke jilwong ne ngo gor kano bi kan mandan en nak engineer koti akot senior official minister petroleum men nak gor kano bi kan kon ngajo gwa Actually community chigala do nene engineer kot chaja nak kane kon nakaje chala do kaniti la unknown gunmen kene de changach ne to jiken udu shalka me okot engineer okot lo tere torbiele namo terbil kume jiken da dop custom rock city road jan gwadan ne kanetin kane to ketin shalka unknown gunmen ka jodan chalat kaje and vehicle charge bar ke torbila man dan jel ke cha bar long te bar wanted to point de minyo do awajen misha plan no bajenak sha surely community jikan kula do ne ta danan sha engineer ko charge ne ga je atam jegalong le de shi misha plan ko wajenak ne da drop atere torbil we mean that among I kelo da go anitin continentium ka jom chalat gwase me wun chala David or team chairman ka actually community chikala do nena ta cha na gude me ta me jegalong kane brutal ke deliberate lo lat ke jengai ka na ka jengai ke anything content gwadamo kane engineer okot ajen paye kwan la managing director ka South Sudan Pipeline Company Limited paye latin lo kwar no jen bo chala do rami mo chi janye long let la civil servant commissioner of petroleum lo chen malane dialo woke wa kana kon mo woch wa che janya long lo ledatin la len midit ka jo chala de community gwasme kane dio ka jeno nakaje ala ma cha plan ki nakaje ngaike neten kontin nak gudu mone kana kuli jogo no ne gone bine ngaje no angum naka gada ki dobadien manaka gudu me yoni are wiki juba but chala do ngode tel mi chana ngai ke kwinenten kontin nakaje chi manut kana me chikala do chilo da jada longa do badana nakaje do no kan detail kan nguna no do badi nakaje mone ku kan kum kim ya dit kan leteje no ne investigation alat ke je kaneten kona nakaje aka kapke kaneda to wanguda kan kenelat shumana tema but medan chana jigane wajen lede shiran kwa targene je donda la kume kirke da la ne ko ken ge jodan chalat but people are looking forward no ba ngaje no ngam nega rei which wajen chi jaraman yam anaka medan charam mo milla bishop chaja ko nag na dora ka gudele naga je dora ka tem chawud me chaile nagre torbiel wa en government official kwa targene ke kete special don ram mutakalat bai targene de kon logoji ko position to teradian mogore der position modere je kan don jen mandana le rode wana ka roja den president Salva Kiir yadit general ne de kon te chamal chaja tan ke je kel ke 2018 ko de ka roi ku malka ban jelinga go roja mene kan koloniam me jaram jadid goro jen be subscribe ka notification bell je twan committee mi bray gwaz be chamala shibike je chala do president Salva Kiir yadit go ke jen o jen barach connecting content la bon ke party ne rajamo wa biro ni kan ka mal ka do dande ko nyam ka ja wajen take committee to be kwan ke ne de content be right ka tin content we ka kwin kware kana dik ko na to ko tama ka jom chalat gwasame wa ne dialin konte te ka 2018 peace agreement wa bekan dial beka chal gwaske lo bi ko dol jo mashala da wa shi kan invitation letter shi kan jakke chol kana la ja invite by mu ke letter be ben kan te kon la bon ka jo chalat gwas me wajen gor kan roje dana chatu ka pay wero ron kin daro jandang ro diech akir me yadit ere roje mo wo ba kuin kwar ba je la didi ka chanya ndang ro ro ka pay wero ron kin daro jandang ro bakel right now chi tungwan chi ke rodian lot chit ka security issues and security issues ka South Sudan chele did along shirkaman ngajeje but right now in ta danon shana che ka jaka je de medan ngaike tene de ngwane che invite ka bontu goal but bonan kana invite ka jen rajame wa kuma spele ayu karwade under first vice president Dr. Machating wa kana ka invite ngod Dr. Machar ngod lo ayen sher mangai kone ka kim yadi che goro beti dial bako watch pin Dr. Machar ram mom tre kuma ka part of kuma SPLIO waje kim yadi che gor she can radian mala civil society leader edmun yakane she can invite ram core organization ka wude mela roje kumal kane siang but not yet katin kon lar kuruden but te me chalar enin mona jena chede gwano de tana de ka banjor sit ke kuma spela yo de ka matin ko raina mu watte wete cha matin te ga tarik tu ngwana brodian lat re kuma ka so ja jo mo cha jalat yo ke kirno ne ko kene ke be but still and dialogue mo kan nyor but ko ala no jen che invitation ni che send out ko ba rajmo ba jalat ken ka jo dana chalat gwasmene lere jagwase me bala dung cheke shalka me speaker kumba jen che right ke che message che jakka jaga je members of parliament and ode ne dialde rudin palika de na take no communication speaker ke ramdan la right ke transitional national legislative assembly je manunu kumba chene de konti la law maker jaga jogo no na garodun pala rodun ka kala de mar kam no kun ke jer won kin dangro je nangro bakale me miti ramni MP do dien gor jeno biata ka mat kam nukun jen sharach ka kolune jok gwad mi sheweten te ka gwalan mi sheweten ka bende chaje welcome ka chike members of parliament ka kuma SPLM kana kuma SPLIO chicken ka welcome kan members of parliament to ka kuma SPLIO kaniti content te pin udum shalke Stephen Parkol ala interim chairman me cha kwanya kirm yadit wa che kana jogo no charan paleka ka chanro ga kwi malke kana gor kono bana lo jokka 2018 peace agreement dan ban ngai kono for the fact no 2018 peace agreement cha collapse right now yen men yen to ko tikitin you know well ka je report me chikon ngaje no which take a kur and banatin ko lat ko rin ka gwasa be banakaling agwa ka jen channel mene mi jiram jidit ka Changfied YouTube channel gor jeno jin adi channel de support de subscribe kom tem ci breda shamala ci bigiji ani bana jawradian bana jeling biata kamal